BME. Yeah, Rico Suave. Yeah, Brother Reek. Check it. Here I go. Here I go. Check it. I'm crazy twisted like a roller coaster. My mind's messed up. I'm killing beats till this fucking world is over. The streets who made me told me that I had to be a soldier, so there will be haters. That's why I can never stay sober. I got the death swag. There goes a messy car crash. My nigga sitting in the back with crack down in his ass crack. My verse is so sharp. I think I need a thumbtack to post my lyrics on the wall and tell the world that Jesus back. I'm a king. Let me sit down on my throne. I'm on my way to music. Father, can I bring it home? Then when I'm at the crib, man, I can sit down on my phone and tell my favorite girl that I think I got a bone. I'm on my way to heaven, counting lucky numbers like 7-11. But I am Jesus' son, so I would make my way to heaven. But if I go to hell, that means I failed a lucky mission. Let me catch my breath like sitting in the kitchen. Music was all I had, so I found myself. So I picked up the pen and pad, writing to myself. Going ham on any track, just like a bomb just blew my mind. I'm not a rock star, but I feel perfect all the time. It's like I changed the game, but just a drop of a dime. I had the world going crazy because they thought I lost my mind. There was nobody around when I couldn't rhyme, and then I said fuck it, let me go hard on them one time.